Hi everybody, today I want to show you this comfiroom recliner that I just got. It comes in two parts. This is one and I have the back right here. So you have to assemble them. They come in a big box. I'm going to show you a picture right here. And then there's some extra parts that come over here, but I wanted to show you there's storage right here. And they come, that's where some of the stuff comes. But again, I'm gonna put the back to it and then I'll show you all the features. There. So as you can see, it was very easy to put it together. It comes in two pieces and the box will be right here, and I show you. And very comfortable leather, smells like leather. I love the stitching, very nice pattern, comes in different colors, and it has this storage area, which it also has this, which is you can use it as a dinner tray, or to put your drink, even though it has two cup holders. And have it right here. You can put it either on this side or you can put it on this side. And a great feature about these chairs is that you can attach them to others. If you have a theater room and you want to have 3, 4, 5, whatever, you can just attach them. One of the sides comes apart and then you just attach all the others. And again, you can have your meal over here, your drinks over here, but you can take this off. It has a remote right there. You have different features. You have a USB, USB-C, and different controllers. I will show you what they are. This is for the light. And this is for, one is for memory, and this is, the other one is to set up to the original setup, and this is for the adjustments of the back and the legs. The nicest feature it has is what they call the 150-degree zero gravity position, which is right here. And you are completely like you were in space. 150-degree of relaxation and comfort. You can sleep like this. You can watch TV like this. Or again, if I push the button to go back to the original setting, it changes everything back to normal. I enjoy the design because again, the design, the stitching is really nice, very comfortable, and it's waterproof, stain proof, so easy to clean. And I can have my cup over here, I can have my cup over here, my food, and again I have the USB-C and USB-A to charge my phone, tablet, or laptop, or anything I need. So I hope you guys enjoy it just as much as I know I will.